welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make banana bread in the microwave for only 90 seconds. So let's get on to this video. So what you're going to need is 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, or if you don't have that like me, I just use regular sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to pour it on the way because I don't have enough time for like measuring and stuff like that. Then after that, you're going to need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil. I just use corn oil, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract or just regular vanilla. And lastly, a banana, because we can't forget a banana when we're making banana bread. So let's get on to mixing this video and mixing all the ingredients. So in the bowl, we're going to put 3 tablespoons of flour,
1/4 is 25 cents. Try again.
then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar. I think he said salt in the beginning. I meant 3 tablespoons of sugar, or did I just say? I'm not sure. 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and lastly, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Oops. Oopsie. It's okay. Then after that, you're going to just mix everything. Make sure to mix everything before you do everything else, before you put on your wet ingredients. So these are all the dry ingredients so far. You're going to keep on mixing it. We're going to go ahead and after you think it's mixed all the way, don't want to pour everything on the table, but that's how it looks so far. Then we're going to crack our 1 egg. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. If you do not have like regular milk, I just added 1 teaspoon of low-fat milk and 1 teaspoon of heavy cream. 1 tablespoon of oil. If you don't have that, I just used corn oil. And lastly, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix. Sorry that you can't see this, but this is how it's looking so far. I think you guys saw that, but that's how it's looking so far. Make sure that you guys mix it really well. You don't want any flour stuck on the bottom, or just regular unmixed eggs on the bottom. You just want to mix everything really good. Then you're going to set those aside and you're going to get your banana. I'm going to go ahead and cut my banana in half. Here I go, and I'm going to cut it like that so it's easy to make sure that you're allowed to use a knife. If you're a parent doing this, my brother loves it so much. It's a really good, and you can have this for breakfast on the way home. It's only like a 5-minute craft. Unless it's not a craft, it's like a 5-minute food hack. Very worth it. Then after that, we're going to make sure when you're cutting the bananas, it's that there's no more chunks inside. There can be tiny chunks, but don't make sure that the whole entire thing is not just stuck inside doing nothing. After you're done mixing it all and they're like almost no chunks, you can just leave some tiny little chunks like that. It's okay. It'll help the taste. Then we're going to put it in the oven, in the microwave for 90 seconds or a minute and 30 seconds. After a minute and 30 seconds or just 90 seconds like I did, your bread should be really fluffy. And while that's cooling down because it's really hot, we're going to go ahead and cut up the other half of our banana. So let's do that. I'm going to leave the peels on there. It kind of is fun to just peel the other stuff off of it. After you guys are done cutting everything up, I'm going to serve it on this really cool bunny plate right here. So it's going to look really cute presentation. Let me go ahead and do as I love that. So much fun. Such a great cook. I consider myself being such a good cook. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Kind of fun to just take it out. Finally, one more. So you're going to get your banana bread and just put it, like scoot all the bananas that you just cut up to the side. I think that looks really cute. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Oh my god. Oh la la. Everyone loves it. Stop it.
That sounds delicious.
Tastes good on the bottom. Okay, after that, everything food tastes good. So good. So, that's all. And for a little bit of pizzazz into it. Put some syrup on there. It's going to be kind of like raw on the bottom, but it's okay. It still tastes good. So that's all. I'm gonna cut it up so it can be like little slices. But that's all, guys. And make sure to subscribe. Get a big thumbs up. Make sure after you're done subscribing, click the bell and then click all videos so you're notified every single time I post a new video. So bye. Bye.